introduction to the innovation development. What is the definition of innovation and what are the steps and stages involved in the innovation? Second one, technology readiness level. What is the definition of technology readiness level and what all stages comes under TRL levels? Who discovered this TRL? All these things we cover in this second topic. And third one is the commercialization of lab technique. What is the definition of commercialization and how the research that can be taken into the laboratory. And fourth one, TRL and market technology transfer, not TRL, technology transfer and market deployment. Okay, how the technology has been created and we are taking this technology, all the researches to the product development and the market deployment. Okay, all these things we will cover in this topic. Okay. Okay. What is the definition of innovation? What it says? Innovation is the process of creating and implementing the new ideas or the products or the process that brings to the value to the business, society, and the individual. Okay. What is the definition of innovation? Innovation means creating something entirely new or optimizing the existing products or the services that will bring the value to the, whether it may be for individual or brings the value to the society or any organization. Okay, this is the definition of innovation. Innovation ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ರಿ? ಯಾವುದೇ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಎಂಟೈರ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಆಪ್ಟಿಮೈಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು so that it will solve the real world problems and it will help to the, it will bring the value to the society and the individuals. Okay, so next one, it is not just about coming up with a new concept but also making them practical, scalable and beneficial. Okay, whatever the inventions, whatever the innovations you are going to make, that must be practical approach and that must be beneficial for the end users as well as the innovators. Okay, what are the key characteristics? It introduces the something new or improves the existing product. First characteristic is it introduces something new. Okay, it will create something new or optimize the existing system. It creates the value. Okay, any product ಯಾವ ಇನ್ವೆನ್ಷನ್ ಅಥವಾ ಇನೋವೇಷನ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಬೇಸಿಕಲಿ ನೀವು ಜನರಲ್ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಇನ್ವೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮತ್ತು ಇನೋವೇಷನ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? why innovation needed? Why innovation is needed? Innovation means what? The system or the product or the services that finds the solution to the problem. Innovation ಯಾಕಂತವ್ರಿ ಒಂದು ಯಾವುದೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅದ ಆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿ innovation ಹಾಕೋರಿ. ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಕೊಡ್ರಿ, ಎನಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್? Any examples? Okay, next point is it solves the real world problem. As I said, innovations are made to solve the real world problems. And fourth one, it can be incremental. That means a small improvement or disruptive. Disruptive means what? A drastic change. Okay, can anyone give me an example for the drastic changes in your daily life from any innovation? ನಿಮ್ಮ ಲೈಫ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಡ್ರಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ರೀ? ಯಾವುದೇ ಇನೋವೇಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ? yes or no? yes or no? drastic changes. Okay, earlier in the earlier days there were only keypad mobiles. Have you seen the keypad mobiles? Yes, everyone seen the keypad mobiles? Okay, which organization or which company launched the first touchscreen mobiles. Do you know about this one? Yes. Samsung. No. Then which one? Motorola. Yes. No. Which one? Yes. Okay. First of all, iPhone. Apple's iPhone launched as a first touchscreen mobile. Okay. This made a disruptive change. Okay. Earlier in 2000, 2005, 2010, mostly keypad mobiles were there. Okay. Then the iPhone came with the idea. Then Apple came with the idea and it transformed the complete the mobile industry. Okay. They have developed the app-based system. Keypad mobile you have to on the dial pad with just call back to dial pad. Contact store and contacts are on the other two-dimensional games. What are two-dimensional games? Yes or no? How games are there? अनेक games are there. Two-dimensional. अरे okay mobile लगा. अरे यहाँ पर है. Yes. Our game three. मत रहने दे. Samsung mobile लगा वो car game पर तो नोड़े दे. Just एक click में lane change है. एक click में lane change है. On button press करना speed है. Button press करना slow. All these are two-dimensional games. Streaming आप क्या बोलते हो? keypad mobile use करूँगा. Streaming applications, for example, YouTube, Netflix, Prime, Yahoo. So all these drastic change. See, once just a change in a mobile from keypad to touchscreen mobile, the app-based system they have invented. iPhone invented app-based system. So you can introduce the new applications as Google Maps, Netflix, and any other applications. Okay, that made a disruptive change in the mobile industry. Yes or no? How are you keypad mobile drastically touchscreen mobile? Yes or no? Flip mobile. Have you seen this flip mobile touchscreen only use for flip my keyboard is broken. Have you ever seen this one? There is a hybrid type model. Samsung with model yaar no ಈ ಡಬಲ್ ಫ್ಲಿಪ್ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಇದೆ ಮ್ಯಾಲ ಫ್ಲಿಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಕೈಲಿ ಕೀಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಇರ್ತದೆ ನೋಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಓಕೆ so this is how Apple disrupted the market. Okay, the main characteristics of innovation is it can increment a small improvement or it can bring a drastic change. Okay, I have told you on iPhone example. Tell me other examples. Okay, give me one two examples of drastic changes in the real world. And I am expecting an example from each row. Yes. Computers, okay, and disruptive change, okay. This side, how changes again? Yes, so again, with your other you go. Smart watches, but मैं disruptive change इंक्लूड इन है स्मार्ट वॉचेस बनाना आपने ये चेंजेस आए तो yes so watches next that have added innovation means what that must add a value in the line okay watch है mobile iPhone एक तो next हाँ Samsung है तो कुछ करे ये iPhone ले रही है Samsung कुछ करेगा here just remember as we lunch post brother so we should wind up in a video game that comes under mobile applications, right? One iPhone has launched, and then it comes with the app-based systems. Okay, that comes all your video games, streaming, online streaming, all comes under that. AI whether it's a drastic change or not. Okay, Google ಒಳಗಡೆ ನೀವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿತ್ತು Google ಒಳಗಡೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಯಾವುದು ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ you must visit all the sites. Okay, you need to visit all the sites to see your answers. Yes or no? But here in ChatGPT, if you paste your questions in ChatGPT, ChatGPT only will give you a correct answer. Any answers related to research, any complicated mathematics, or any other issues. Okay, all these things will be given by ChatGPT. ChatGPT is also a disruptive innovation. Basically, AI is a disruptive innovation. ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾವುದು ಉದಾಹರಣೆ ಆಟೋ ಪೈಲಟ್ ಕಾರ್ ಹೇಳಿ ನೋ ಡ್ರೈವರ್ಲೆಸ್ ಕಾರ್ಸ್ same thing. Automatic. Okay, these are the innovations in the recent past. Yes or no? Okay. Next one, types of innovations. What are the types of innovations? First one is the product innovation. Product innovation is what? New or improved product. That means you are improvising a product or making a entirely new product. For example, iPhone was a new product, entirely new product, and with the same as a Tesla electric cars. Have you heard about Tesla electric cars? No. Tesla electric cars are the automotive cars, automotive cars. Tesla autopilot cars. Okay. Process innovation means what? Improved ways of producing goods and services. That means the changing in the process, improvising the ways of producing the goods and services. Third one, business model innovation. That means new ways of generating revenue. Business model innovation. YouTube free YouTube is free, but there is a subscription model also. If you don't want to see ads, you need to purchase a subscription model. Do you aware of this one? Yes or no? Yes. Okay, this is an example for business model innovation. Same as a Netflix subscription model. Okay. Same as a Hotstar subscription model. Nobody Hotstar is nobody. Hotstar only shows movies only. They are free of cost. If you want to see some extra live streaming like cricket matches, you need to purchase a subscription model of the Hotstar. Correct? Okay, this is the business model innovation. Fourth one, social innovation. That means innovations that solve the social problems. What are the social problems? First one, microfinance and digital payments. What are the digital payments? PhonePe and Google Pay. Each and everyone using the PhonePe and Google Pay. Okay. This is also a disruptive change in the market. Yes or no? Banks visit ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಯಾರಿಗ frequent basis ಒಳಗಡೆ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ಲೆಸ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ PhonePe Google Pay ಏನು up to 1 lakh 2 lakh amount ಅನ್ನ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Okay, so this is the fourth one, social innovation. First one is the product innovation, second one is the innovation, third one is the business model innovation, fourth one is the social innovation. Okay, there are some steps involved in the